I've shouldered the load down on my street. The street where I live, the old house I once knew as a child where I grew. We were children then, we had so much to give, and I still call this home. It was there we used to roam. As the years rolled on, I sat upon my dreams. Red brick and stone, the old school that I'd known down on my street. Well, we had some crack when the summers were good. We got lost as you would, and we walked for miles just to find our way back. They were good old days, you know. It was there we learned to grow. From friendships few, we soon outgrew the old down on my street. Well, it's sad, I remember that day in November on my street. Me mom, she passed on, the old man broken hearted. The day that she parted, he loved her so. His whole world it was gone. I still see him in that room, knowing that he'll meet her soon. All those memories throughout our tears to flow down on my street. All the neighbours long gone, and life still goes on down on my street. A change has begun, the new children are playing all the games. I'm just saying, that's so sweet. The old rhymes are still sung, but my heart is sad today. All my dreams from yesterday, those years have gone, and life moves on its way down on my street, down on